G'day Spuddies, welcome back again. It's an exciting day. 4 days in a row? We've done 4 videos in a row, and I think I'm going to need to get some sort of beard keeping routine going. This sort of scruffiness won't do. Alright, it's an exciting day. Our new book, The Mega Foods Plan, is officially released today. So if you've already bought the book, it'll be in your inbox today. And if you haven't, then you can get it from our website now and start reading it straight away. It'll be a few more days until it's available on Amazon and all those other places, and when that happens it'll be in print, but for now it's just ebook and through our website. The main reason for making this post is that I want to thank some amazing people who helped us do this. These people contributed financial support as well as thoughts and ideas and questions and all sorts of stuff that helped us to get the book moving in the right direction and say all the things that we needed to say. So thank you to, I'm going to list all the names now. There are lots of people who decided to remain anonymous. Thank you equally to those people. And here are the people who are listed in the list of contributors in our book. Here we go. Joe Jacob, Marty Ritz, Jan Koprek, Kent Huggerson, Lily Blue, Nicole Bathurst, Jen Dickman, Bruce Guernsey, Dana Ferreira, Katie Downing, Loz Miller, Christine Prevost, Wendy Skiba King, Christopher Monk, Mary Harris, Ellie Emmett, Nick Potter, Julie Simiana, Kim Mulvey, Mary Jean Smith, Sherry McLean, Jamila Hassan, Kim Castrillon, Angela Pearman, Joanne Keel, Donna Woma, Diane French, Lynn Powell, Laura Woodson, Paul Manzanero, Laura Tolugan, Daniel Fernandez, Georgia De Leon, Tamsin Young, Jennifer Noonan, Ashley Gouch, Coral Horton, Susanna Troy, Jennifer Bilodeau, J. Samantha Forrest, Shirley Yunt. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. One of those. Laurie Ellington. And last but not least is Connie Adderley, who unfortunately is not listed in the book, but because we got your name a little bit too late for it to go in. But thank you as well, Connie. So that's it for today. I just wanted to announce that the book's there and thank all those people. Coincidentally, it is Mega Foods May coming up very soon, so you can get involved in that at our website. It's we're going to be going through Mega Foods May and eating all the mega foods and doing all the good things and learning about healthy habits. You can get that at our website under the courses mark, and when you get that, you also get access to the Spud Fit Challenge course and everything we do. It's going to be an amazing month. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for all your support. It's a beautiful day. Eat simply, live fully.